Hi everyone, Noriko desu. Today we will practice kanji together. This is the first lesson. We will start with numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5 together. Okay, first. 1. It's from left to right, one line. 1, 1. 2, 2 lines from left to right, left to right. Make sure top line is shorter than the bottom line, which is 2. 2. Next, 3. This is 3 lines this time. Left to right, left to right, left to right. 3. The middle line is shorter than top line and bottom line. 3. 3. Simple, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. It's just that the line is 1, 2, 3. Next one. 4. No, we don't use 4 lines. Look closely. Up to down, right to the corner, left, right, and the bottom. 4, 4, 4, 4. And last one for today, 5. Look closely again. Left to right, slightly angle from top to bottom, half corner, left to right. Go. Go. Remember, when you write kanji, when for the horizontal line, always from left to right. And from top to bottom, from up, top to bottom. In the corner, always from this side, left to down, and left to right. Okay, oh, I made go again. Go, number 5. Okay, do the left, number 4 then. Look at it closely. So always start from the left side. So here, up to down, and corner from right to down, from left, right, and from left to right. 4. Number 4 means so. 4, 4, 6. Okay. All right. If there's any question, please send me a message. And next lesson, we will do from 6 to 10. Okay. Enjoy.